Okay, what's up guys? I got a slime video again. This time it's like a part 2. And it's gonna be pretty fun. Oh, it's so cold now. And this time I got a bigger thing to bury. I'll be back when I get it. Okay guys, I am back and I found this thing that, oh my god. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I got the thing I want to bury. So I'm gonna do that technique I did last time. I smack it. That was funny. Okay, and then I want to get this. It gets like, it already gets stuck automatically. I don't know why I do this. I decided shaking it could be, I mean, it like, you gotta believe me, it could do something. Now it's in here. I'm gonna try to find it. And do you see anything? No. Nothing in here. Has to be in here. Oh, I feel it. Tell me if you guys see this. Oh god. I don't know if you can see that shape. Oh wait, I think now you can see it. I'm gonna pull it out. Okay. Should be in here. Oh, there it is. This video will be a little bit longer than the last video because I've been trying to figure out how to make like your video longer. I've only got it to like down to 8 minutes, if that's okay with you guys. And if you guys figure out how to make it like really long, then please tell me in the comments and I will give you a shout out if you help. Okay. I have an idea, guys. I'm gonna put this in my shirt. Okay, so I'm not letting you guys see it, but I'm just gonna. Wait, no, I missed. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yo, it's so cold though. Squeeze it. I don't want to. I'm like too scared it'll get stuck to my shirt. But at the same time, I know it won't get stuck to my shirt. Oh god. And then every time I try to like I always expect it to stretch, like it can. I always expect it to stretch, and then you just. Well, you guys probably can't see it from the camera. Like from my view, it's not even stretching. It's kind of just ripping. Like it's just. See that? It doesn't even stretch, but for some reason. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.